Ako na.
Ah.
Sa pangganggang anak mo pa, sasama po ba si Doc sa delivery room? Hehe, curious lang, P. Curious lang po.
Milan is leaving again. Where are you going, Milan? So much work today.
Cannot say.
Paano, che? So, nire-ready na ni Mommy yung yung mga... So, malapit na rin matapos yung season ng mango. And then, Mommy, pati dyan sa season, yung ferrous ascorbate, folic acid. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang init. Okay. Ayan, ganyan pala. Valve pala to. Parang seed siya ng Adyo mo na pa na siya. O, mo pay? Panapra ka. Che. Huwag natin kakalimutan itong asafoetida or
Can we watch?
Doc Milan is leaving again. Where are you going, Milan? So much work today.
Cannot say right now where I'm going.
Meron siyang gagawin ngayon, guys. Pero meron siyang kikitain dun sa my center of the village. Ayan. Nakaantabay na siya. May meet niya dyan and meron silang pupuntahan. We'll be disclosing it to you next time. Once it is finally confirmed. So, umalis na si Milan, guys. And mommy is done. May sukar dito? Ras. So, she made another batch of ras. Awe ba tao kilo ras tayo already? O ba? 1, 2. Pangatlo na to. And tatlong naka-plastic na ganito. Akon kasi ba do? Ek paras pati dyan eh. Kaya jumaki ba naman no? So, we will not make any ras anymore, guys. Kasi okay na daw yan. Jone, check ko. Tanong serbet. Fruit no serbet. Chico bichehen eh. Apra chico che. So, there's chico juice, mixed fruit, and everything. Ayan, chico juice yan. Ay, may manausan eh, apri. Pala chokro ave. Baduap ano che. So, nire-ready na ni mommy yung yung mga kakailanganin namin. And nagre-ready na siya for my delivery para kapag merong mga bisitang darating, yan yung hiyahapag niya. Tignan nyo naman yung refrigerator namin, punong-puno. See? Punong-puno talaga. Ito pa, without mentioning this one. Ayan. Ay, yung Nutella ko naipon na. Si Milan kasi binilhan niya ako ng tinapay nung isang araw. Mami, para Nutella trondo botay giwolo. Milan manggay li dupat siya may haro. Nakakabarbare siya, Judy. Ayan, na-ice na niya. And luto na yung pagkain natin, guys. Just sugo na dito kami. Kitchery and ayan, this is husheringar bataka no? Eggplant na may kasamang patatas and kitchery, yung dal na may lentils. So, kakatapos ko lang din maligo, guys, and pinapatuyo ko lang din yung buhok ko. Earlier, pinakita ko na umalis si Milan, di ba? Kasi magpupunta siya ng Barodra together with a professional. Meron silang gagawin doon and hindi ko muna i-disclose sa inyo kung anong gagawin nila doon. Kaya naman kaninang 9:30 or 10 o'clock, pinakain na namin siya kasi alam namin yung ugali ni Milan. Kapag na na yung trabaho niya, nakafocus na siya sa trabaho, nakakalimutan na niyang kumain talaga. And hindi yan magsasabi kapag nagugutom siya. Kaya sabi namin, since maaga namang nagluto si mommy, luto na yung pagkain, sabi namin na kumain na muna nga siya. Kasi kapag nagutom siya, nagkaka-acidity na rin kasi. Kaya yung pinapainom namin sa kanya ngayon is gatas na may kasama nitong chocolate milk drink. Yung chai. Ha? Apat na box na pala ng apat na box na pala ng mango pulp yung nagawa niya. Yung isang box kakainin daw namin. So, malapit na rin matapos yung season ng mango. And then, mommy, pati dyan sa season, Ave kilo divas ryu. 4-5 divas. 4 to 5 days na lang yung pagkain namin ng mangga, guys. Iniinom na rin ako ng gamot. Kasi meron akong iniinom na isang gamot before ako kumain ng lunch. So, baka kakain na kami ng lunch. So, inumin ko na siya 1 hour before. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap dote. Tingnan natin. Since wala namang masyadong ginagawa dito sa bahay, laging loner ang atin nyo. So, ano muna tayo guys. Magpasensya muna tayo sa mga vlog na pinapakita ko. Once na mga anak ako, sobrang daming mangyayari, may darating. Yung pinakahihintay nyo. So, maging masaya na naman si Jano kasi darating yung asawa niya. And, tingnan natin yung mga adventures na gagawin natin if makaalis tayo kahit merong baby or if masama natin yung baby sa mga adventures. So, I cannot wait. So, if you are staying ngayon na buntis ako and pinapanood nyo yung mga videos namin everyday, thank you so much guys. Abangan nyo yung mga videos namin sa next months na paparating. So, ayun. Inom muna ako ng gamot and I'll see you later. Ito yung iniinom kong gamot guys, amino acid with vitamins, iron, and zinc capsule. Ayan. Binigay sa akin to ng doktor, pampataba daw ng baby. Nangingi kasi ako sa kanya ng pampataba ng baby. Kasi sabi ko, naliliitan ako dun sa weight ng baby namin. Pero sabi niya okay naman daw, normal naman. Pero sabi niya Milan, kahit na magbigay ka pa rin ng mga supplements. So ayun, binigyan niya ako nito. So, ito yung mga iniinom kong gamot, guys. Yung sinabi ko sa inyong amino rich. Tapos, meron akong iniinom tuwing hapon. Yung ferrous ascorbate folic acid. Ayan. Tapos, meron din akong iniinom nitong, tawag dito, pangalan, nasira na kasi. Ito, calcium citrate, zinc, and vitamin D3 tablets. Tapos, sa gabi, meron silang pinapainom sa akin itong pang contractions ata to. Duvadilan retard. Ang tawag dito. Basta for contractions to. Yung panggabi na pinapainom sa akin. So, ayun yung mga gamot na iniinom ko dito guys. Ito yung mga binibigay nila sa akin. So, ayun. Hintayin lang natin yung lunch. Kakain na tayo. And then, mag-edit na ako, magtatrabaho. Tapos, matutulog. So, balitaan ko kayo mamaya. Gagawa na tayo ng pagkain natin for today, guys. So, pinapaano sa akin ni mami to. Pinapaganto niya. Hindi ko alam ano kasing tawag dito. Pinapadurog niya sa maliliit na piraso. Grabe, sobrang init. Okay? Val yung pangalan daw ng kakainin namin ngayon. Kasama ng Rotli and Ross. So, yun, hatiin lang natin into small pieces. Tapos, paikot-ikutin lang natin to hanggang sa madurog lahat. Tomato kali, video ka sunay. Time is 6 o'clock guys, ng hapon. Gabi pala, gabi na. So, magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. And, sabi ni mami, magluluto daw siya ng rotli at saka nung valsak. So, pinaan yun lang sa akin yung mga tomato. And then, ginagawa niya lang yung rotli. Tapos, papakita niya daw sa akin kung paano magluto ng val. Natapos ko na itong mga tomato guys. Ayan. Yan yung gagawin natin na sauce, I think. And right over here, naglagay na si mami ng kaunting oil. Pinapainit niya lang yan. Yan, tapos na rin ang ating mami doon. Yung dough natin. Apeliwag ka ba ng ano, apra, mami? Apriger? Val? Kahit siya, wala? So, pinaano na niya kahapon pala yan. Pina-boil na niya. Pina-cooker na niya kahapon yan. Kaya lang, kahapon kasi meron kaming ibang kakainin. So, sabi namin, ayan, ganyan pala. Val pala to. Parang seed siya ng ano. Parang meron ganyan sa Pilipinas Hindi ko lang ma-determine kung ano. Kahapon talaga dapat namin nalulutuin. Kaya lang meron kaming kinain bigla. Hindi ko alam kung sino nagbigay. Or anong niluto namin. Okay, yung tarkakichi. Kinain namin kahapon. Kasi nga nagpabunot si Milan. Pero dahil nga nagpabunot siya, sabi ni mami, lutuan muna niya ng tarkakichi si Milan. Tapos bukas na lang namin ito lulutuin, which is today. So, ayan. Tuturuan ako ni mami kung paano lutuin ito. Refill muna tayo ng mga masala. Adyo mo na, paano siya?
अजमोद न खाइबा
Okay. Lalagyan pala natin yan ng ajumo, hindi cumin seeds. Tapos ilagay natin yung tomato, guys. Lasandong ready mo kay? Panapra
लसन
ka.
नाही लागेल ना
Uche.
वालना शाक मै नाही लागेल लसन ने
Ah, ah.
नाही लागेल
Hindi to masarap po pag lalagyan ng ng onion and garlic yan. So tomato talaga daw yung nilalagay. Nanatapan na yung pala to. Now, mix na natin. After nun guys, lalagyan na natin siya ng salt. Hayaan lang natin na maluto yung tomato.
मीठ नाखी देना टमाटा जल्दा से कर दे
Yun yung sekreto ni Mami. Lalagay agad daw yung salt para agad maluto yung tomato.
ठीक है
Pagkatapos na lalagay na natin ng mga spices or mga masala. Chili powder,
और
turmeric powder,
गरम मसाला
garam masala,
दाना जीरा
and cumin powder. Huwag natin kakalimutan itong asafoetida or hing. And then, maglalagay tayo nitong kitchen king masala. And then, lalagay na natin itong val. Pani natin. Ew, siya. Ayan yung ulam natin. Yan yung ulam natin for today. Val. Lalagyan pa daw ni Mami ng water. Kakaibang ulam to first time ko. Mami, pelibar chakwan mo to. This is my first time to eat this one, guys. Basta yun. Kasunay na ako, ano. So, ayan daw. Okay na daw yung ulam namin for today. And magluluto na siya ng rotli. Tatakpan niya lang yan and hayaan niya lang na ma-absorb lahat ng mga ingredients and mga masala na inad niya. Akan mo kay, Mami?
मुकन खाए
Okay. Lalagyan pa daw ng sugar para mag-balance
नाखो तो
yung
नाखो
taste.
के ना नाखो
Kabar na mane peliwar ka chakuan mo tuwele mane na kabar pare. This is my first time. She's asking me if I want it with sugar or not. So I said it's my first time to taste this, so I don't know which one suits more, which one tastes better. Tamari chabay.
हमें नहीं नाखता
They don't put daw. So ayan na. Okay na yung food natin for today. Hayaan lang natin siyang maluto. Nandito si Papa. Awe? Gari daw ano? Naglilinis siya ng sasakyan. Kem, bau gandu thay gyud le?
જીવડા આવે ને નાઈટમાં જીવડા
Oo. Okay, may mga insekto daw kasi kaya nilinis na niya. So ayan guys. Yan yung toka ko dati actually. Pero dahil nabuntis na ako, hindi na ako hindi na ako naglilinis.
નાઈટમાં લાઈટના હિસાબે જીવડા
So kapag daw gabi, baka daw maaksidente dahil sa mga putik-putik or sa mga insekto dyan sa windshield. O ba? So nililinis ni Papa. Pasok na tayo sa loob guys, yung mga auntie nagkukantuhan na. 6:13 na. Guys, look who I have here.
guys.
Kasama ko ngayon si Milan and he went to Varodra, right? So
I went to Vadodara
kakarating
and
niya
then I
lang.
was very tired because I
Naligo na.
already did 72 hours of duty.
And naligo na siya. So, we will be answering question, Milan. I saw while I'm scrolling earlier.
Let me read.
I want you to answer
I will
this.
read. I will read.
Ah,
Ako na.
ah.
Sa pangganggang anak mo pa, sasama po basi doc sa delivery room. Hehe, curious lang pi. Curious lang po.
So, may nagtanong dito kung sa panganganak ko daw ba, isasama daw ba si Doc Milan sa delivery room. So, you answer that. Is that a system here in
Look,
India?
if it's my hospital, like government hospital where I am working,
Ah,
I would go there because I
It's
have some
allowed.
authority there.
ah.
Because of my authority, I can go there without any problem.
Mm.
But we are planning to do delivery in private hospital and a very good setup. So I don't know what's the rule there. But probably I will be allowed. But if I am not allowed, then probably Janu is allowed. Because in India, guys,
Ah.
husband wife, they don't see husband wife as husband wife. They see man and woman, and they respect woman privacy a lot. It's very controversial if man go
Inside.
with wife.
I don't think they
delivery
will
room.
allow. Kasi
Yeah, they
last
don't.
time,
It's not culture here.
kasi last time guys, I was supposed to get injection for my what is it, the lungs? For the lungs. Pero that time,
Steroid
I went to the nurse room, something like that. Tapos I said that my husband is a doctor, he can put it. And
But
then
you are being just mayabang.
No,
everywhere. My
I'm
husband
saying
is a
that because
doctor,
I
husband is a
am
doctor.
I am very shy for
Ah.
that they will put. And then they are saying that is my husband allowed inside? And then I'm speaking Gujarati. Nagsasalita ako na ng Gujarati. Sabi ko baka hindi ko maintindihan yung instruction nila. And then they are saying no, it's
No,
okay.
it's not
We
allowed.
will handle it, sabi nila. Hindi daw allowed. Pero in the Philippines yun
Pero
ang
hindi
ilan.
daw allowed.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Oh.
very controversial. Husband, man and woman in a one room where woman's privacy is, they are very shy if there is some other man, and then woman have to open up.
Everything.
Yeah.
So, ganito yung ibig sabihin ni Milan. If sa government hospital daw ako manganganak, kung saan siya nagtatrabaho, pwede daw siyang pumasok kasi meron siyang authority
If
and
there
kilala
is a
niya yung
doctor
mga
that
tao.
I know
Oo.
personally, I would be allowed.
Oo.
Here also they know I am doctor. They will probably allow me,
Mm-mm.
but I will still choose if I will go or not still.
But you will go if in case you're allowed.
Yes.
Like, I will do labor.
try.
Something like
Breathe,
that.
breathe, breathe,
I don't think I want Milan inside. Kasi he will just laugh at me. Oo.
I have a very bad situation, guy. I cannot stop my laugh when I see something.
And then he will just tease me. Hey, look, you look pangit in doing that. Like, he will not comfort you. He will just
no, I
laugh
will
at.
comfort you now.
Mm.
Hey, puss, baby, puss.
Kasi he is a doctor, right? So, he is used to seeing pain
Yeah,
in
used to
people's
That's
faces. So, ganon. But in the Philippines, you know, Milan,
Yeah, I
especially
know.
in lying
Philippines,
in, they are
America,
allowing.
Europe, they are allowing husband to go with wife
Mm-mm.
because you guys are very open-minded.
Mm-mm.
People here are
Dito
still
guys, hindi pa rin
close-minded.
talaga pinapayagan. Oh, wait, you don't know about other hospitals. Probably.
Maybe sister or mother.
They will allow.
Yeah, they might allow, but I don't think
What
so.
about cities? They allow?
Probably big cities, tier 1
But
city.
in our city, in our area, they
No.
don't allow still. Kasi very conservative pa rin yung mga tao. So,
they will
ayun.
just give you the baby. You will give both two kind of clothes,
Mm-mm.
boys and girls, and whatever it is, the nurse will come out in that specific cloth. If it's girl or pink cloth, boys blue cloth.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the system here. You give two clothes.
Yeah, you give two because you don't know if it will be a boy or girl because it's not allowed. So they buy two piece. One is blue and one is pink.
Ganun ba yun?
And then you give it to the nurse. She will go inside and whatever it fits, girl or boy,
They will choose
yeah, she
accordingly.
will choose the cloth accordingly.
But
and
in
"Ah,
our
it's a
case,
boy,
we
oh,
know
it's a
already.
girl."
So, we already know what to
bring.
bring and what to buy.
Yeah.
So,
No
ayun
problem.
guys.
Walang problema.
In Philippines, it's allowed. In India, it's
Not
still not allowed.
I think
Because
so.
of conservativeness. Probably other states, if you guys experience na nanganak kayo
You
sa
tell me if
India.
it's allowed, then I will force my daughter. Let me go inside. My
And-
wife need me.
They are saying when is my due date? My
Due
date
date is
given.
16 August, but it's keep on changing because the period cycle was long. So according to baby's growth, it's keep on changing.
Hindi pa namin alam guys, pero yung binigay na due date is August 16. Pero hindi daw yun sure
But
kasi baka
we are not sure
maiba.
because of the
It might come early.
Yep.
So
We might even
ayun.
do planned Caesar if baby is not going
Baka
to-
magpa-CS kami kasi nga 3 loop yung baby, yung sa neck niya. So, we don't want any complications. So, pagkapatak ng parang 36 or 37 weeks. No, Milan? 36, 37 weeks,
36,
it's allowed
37.
already
Yeah,
to go.
Obviously, it's already
Full term, no?
by 38 week.
37,
37
38.
is already good enough.
So, let's see what will happen, guys. So, that's it for our video. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.